Hi friends, in the previous lecture, we have seen how the evolution of DevOps was so tremendous and how it was giving more and more good feedback for customer to the new companies. Okay, and it was adapted by more companies. So why it was adapted by more companies? Because it definitely might have some benefit, right? So let's understand for those benefits and also let's see the goals of the DevOps. So let's move on benefit first. So first one is smarter work and faster work over hard work. Okay. So basically every company needs a faster release for a production and instead of a slower one and also the smart work. We don't want that, hey, something needs to be done by a hard work only to give a faster release, right? So we prefer a smart work and fast release over a hard work and slow release, right? So that was the key component. This was the main benefit of DevOps, which includes by continuous doing every phases in smaller sprints and deploying the software or product. Next one is quick resolution of issues. So now the next one is quick resolution of issues. So we are performing everything on a small piece of code at first in the continuous process. So if we find something wrong in that, we can roll back the small piece of code, and as it is small, then we can do the resolution and quickly maintain it to continuous integration than continuous deployment or delivery, right? In the next, we have better collaboration between teams instead of giving blame on others teams or each other. There is a good collaboration between teams so that all the individual team are work together in DevOps. The next benefit is have a fostering innovating mindset. So there are many teams working together. So for finding a quick resolution, we have something called a brainstorming, right? So we do a brainstorming and then we we just collect all the mindset innovative ideas and then we carry out the best results. The next, we have a faster threat detection as we are continuous monitoring our infra or our result. So whatever happens, so we can detect our threat as early as possible by maintaining or creating an alert system in the continuous monitoring. The next one is increased customer satisfaction. So there is nothing than a faster release or quality product. So now it is customer satisfaction that should be value to the customer. Next one is providing the much needed edge. So whatever info that need to be included in the software, so it is included in DevOps. So these are the main 7 points which has a benefit on DevOps. Now let's move ahead and let's understand what is the goal of DevOps. So basically the goal of DevOps is it's ensure effective collaboration between the teams. So there are no individual team working on their own like traditional. Every team has their own shared responsibility and they are continuous collaborating with each other to deploying and managing the code, right? The next goal is to create a scalable infrastructure platform. So whatever in there, if we want to increase it, we can vertical increase it, scale it, or horizontal scale it by the help of infrastructure management. Next one, we have build on demand release capabilities. So if our small code is in our hand and it is ready, so if it needs to be developed or deploy as soon as possible, so we can do that, right? So we can release on demand of the customers. Next one is we have provided faster feedback. So continuous feedback is the term I will use it here for better understanding. So a small piece of code are being tested to a test environment and then whatever the result is provided as a continuous feedback back to the development or ops team that hey, this functionality is working in the code form and this this functionality is working in the infrastructure line. Okay, so I am hoping you are clear with benefits and goals of DevOps. Now let's move ahead and let's meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care.